Conceptual summary for Prime Generative Systems Lab. This analysis conceptualizes the expected outcomes and insights from simulating the Infinite Canvas System (ICS) within the Prime Generative Systems Lab, focusing on the generation and visualization of dynamic visual effects, continuous expansion, dynamic content generation, and spatial coordinate management. ## expected outcome and visual dynamics. The Prime Generative Systems Lab, leveraging the ICS module, will generate a profoundly immersive and seemingly boundless digital environment. The core outcome will be a real-time, interactive visualization of an unbounded digital workspace that continuously self-generates content. As the user's viewpoint expands, users will experience a sensation of perpetual discovery, as zooming out or panning across the canvas never encounters an edge. Instead, the previously unseen regions of the canvas will dynamically populate with novel visual structures and patterns. The expansion will not be a simple uncovering of pre-existing data, but an active, algorithmic synthesis of new information appearing to grow or crystallize into existence as computational resources are allocated to newly revealed sectors of the coordinate space. This simulation will effectively demonstrate the algorithmic creation of an infinite state from finite computational rules and resources. ## key visuals and content generation. The visualization will manifest as a complex, evolving tapestry of generative art and computational structures, characterized by 1. Continuous expansion *. The primary visual effect will be the seamless, unbounded scrolling and zooming. As the viewport traverses the coordinate plane, new chunks or tiles of content will procedurally generate and resolve, maintaining a consistent level of detail relative to the current zoom level. This creates an optical illusion of endless depth and breadth. 2. Dynamic content manifestation ***, fractal geometries ***, expect to see self-similar patterns emerging at different scales, indicating an underlying recursive or iterative generation mechanism. These might appear as intricate landscapes, crystalline structures, or organic-looking networks. * cellular automata fields * swaths of the canvas could display emergent behaviors akin to Conway's game of life, but on a vastly grander scale, with patterns evolving and interacting in localized ecosystems. Algorithmic textures and gradients * smooth transitions and complex, non-repeating textures will populate large areas generated from mathematical functions tied to their precise spatial coordinates. Prime influence structures * given the Prime Generative Systems Lab context, specific visual anomalies, structural densities, or unique content might appear at coordinate intervals x, y, where x or y are prime numbers, or where properties derived from prime number distributions, e.g., ULAM spirals, prime gaps, influence generative parameters. This could manifest as distinct biomes or attractors in the generative landscape. Adaptive resolution and detail * distant or less focused areas will render with a lower level of detail, smoothly increasing fidelity as the viewpoint approaches, simulating efficient resource management for an infinite dataset. 3. Spatial coordinate management visualization * overlaid diagnostic visuals could optionally demonstrate the underlying coordinate system's adaptive management. This might include grid overlays * a dynamic grid that rescales or recenters as the viewport moves, illustrating how an infinite space is internally indexed and managed. Data density maps * color-coded regions indicating areas of high generative activity, cached content, or newly synthesized data. Chunk boundaries * faint lines or pulsating outlines showing how the infinite canvas is logically partitioned for efficient procedural generation and memory management. ## demonstrated scientific / computational principles. The ICS simulation within the Prime Generative Systems Lab will effectively demonstrate several advanced computational and scientific principles. 1. Procedural content generation, PCG the core principle, showcasing how vast, complex, and seemingly unique content can be algorithmically synthesized from a finite set of rules and a pseudo-random seed, rather than being manually designed or pre-stored. 2. Computational geometry and topology * the system's ability to seamlessly manage and render an unbounded spatial domain illustrates sophisticated indexing, hashing, and coordinate transformation techniques to map infinite conceptual space onto finite computational memory. This highlights solutions for problems like coordinate overflow, precision management, and efficient neighborhood querying in vast datasets. 3. Self-organization and emergence * the dynamic content generation will exemplify how simple, localized rules can give rise to highly complex, structured, and unpredictable global patterns without explicit design, mirroring phenomena in natural systems. 4. Resource management and adaptive level of detail LOD. The simulation will implicitly demonstrate strategies for managing computational load, CPU, GPU memory, when dealing with potentially infinite data. This includes dynamic instancing, intelligent caching, streaming, and viewfrustum culling, ensuring real-time performance despite the theoretical immensity of the canvas. 5. Dynamic systems theory *, the continuous evolution and interaction of generative rules across the infinite canvas, can be viewed as a manifestation of a dynamic system, where initial conditions, or rules, dictate the system's spatial and temporal evolution. 6. Scalability and unboundedness *, a direct demonstration of how systems can be designed to overcome traditional limits of finite memory or fixed spatial boundaries, paving the way for applications in massive-scale simulations, metaverse environments, and advanced data visualization. In summary, the ICS simulation in Prime Generative Systems Lab will offer a compelling visual and conceptual journey into the possibilities of procedural infinity, showcasing the power of algorithmic generation to create boundless, dynamic digital worlds from fundamental rules and efficient computational management.